Yep. That's what he does. Watch, he'll take it in. You making your bed? Now he'll go get some more. Come on, let's go get more. Come on. Come on, let's go get more.
I have everyone.
Come on, bro.
Everyone.
Brody. Come on. Brody. Come on, Piggott. Come on, let's go get more hay. Come on, Brody. Come on, let's go get more. Brody. Come on. Come on, Brody. Come on. Come on, Brody. We'll go get more hay. Come on. Come on, let's go get more. Come on, Brody. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on, let's go get more. Come on. Come on, let's go get more. Come on. Come on, Baxter. Come on, let's go get more hay. We'll go get more? Yeah. Come on, let's go get more. We'll go get more hay. You're so smart. I love you. Yes, I do. There you go. He's gonna get it, Baxter. Let him get his hay first. There you go. Take it back.
Daddy.
Oh, you're gonna leave it there now?
He's hungry, probably.
Well, he likes to get it where it's clumps. So he takes back a good chunk. Come on, let's take it back. There you go. Come on, take it back. What's she doing? Come on, take your hay back.
His baby's up there, Mama. He left
Yeah.
the baby. I want to go see it.
Come on, Brody. Get your hay and take it. Take it back. Come on, take it. There you go. That's a good chunk right there. Perfect. See, Daddy? Oh, Baxter doing it too? Oh, look at you both. Oh, you made him drop his hay, is? Baxter even tried it. Be nice, says. What? Who is that, Brody? Who's that, Charlie? You calling Katie? Be nice, Izzy. Izzy. She's not going to hurt you. You're okay. Her just looking for her baby. Yeah. You want to get more hay? Charlie! She's going to stomp you.
At least the baby got away, Mama. He's like, oh!
Come on, bro. Brody, come on. Let's go get more hay.